Hi. Welcome to See You Here. This is Umar Story Special YouTube channel. On this channel, we present daily new information and interesting general knowledge questions and their answers in the form of videos. So let's start without delay today's video. Question 11. What year was John F. Kennedy assassinated? Answer number 11. November 22, 1963, by Lee Harvey Oswald. Question number 12. Which U.S. president was born in Hawaii in 1961? Answer number 12. Barack Obama. Question number 13. The Baseball World Series was first contested in which year? 1883, 1893, or 1903? Answer number 13. It was way back in 1903. Question number 14. Known as Motor City, what is the actual name of this American city? Or 1903? Answer number 14. It's Detroit. Detroit has been long recognized as the historic heart of the American automotive industry, partly because Henry Ford pioneered the use of the assembly line in manufacturing Ford cars. Question number 15. What is the longest river in the United States? Answer number 15. At 2,565 miles, the Missouri River is the longest river in the states. Question number 16. Which is the only U.S. state to have one syllable in its name? Answer number 16. Maine. Question number 17. How many territories does USA have? 1 point for each. Answer number 17. The U.S. has 5 permanently inhabited territories. These are Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands in the Caribbean Sea, Guam and the Northern Mariana Islands in the North Pacific Ocean, and American Samoa in the South Pacific Ocean. Question number 18. What is the tallest mountain in the U.S.? Answer number 18. At 6,194 meters, 20,320 feet, Denali, also known as Mount McKinley, in Alaska is the tallest mountain in the states. Question number 19. What does D.C. stand for in Washington, D.C.? Answer number 19. District of Columbia. Lots of people think Washington, D.C. is a state, but it's actually a district. Question number 20. What is the national animal of the USA? 1 point for each. Answer number 20. Technically, there are 2. The American bald eagle is the national bird, and recently in 2016, the bison was added as the national mammal. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe the channel and share this video with your family and friends.